can see, it's a beautiful day, and there are a lot of boats. What do you think, Christian? Look at that. This is where we went kayaking, and where Christian and I went snorkeling. It is busy today. We're on the sailboat. It's just an amazingly gorgeous day. Woo! Loving it. Loving life. Christian, what do you have to say?
I don't know, it's just so good to be on my first time on a boat.
Yeah.
I think about all them good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi! Whoa!
Remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of blur, and I remember what it was like.
1, 2, 3.
Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another
Hey, come on.
They gotta make that incredible decision and check along the surface of life. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will, but love it, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I've returned.
Okay, here we go. Hold on to the manatee. Hi everybody, this is us after our sailboat experience, and we just want to chat a couple minutes about what we learned. So Christian, did you have fun?
Yes.
Did you love it? What was your favorite?
That I got to go inside and in the front.
That's right. And so what happened when there were big waves? What'd you do?
Ooh.
Yeah? What did you have to do when the waves were really big?
To hold on.
Hold on to something, right?
And you always have to hold on if you go on a boat.
Yeah, always hold on. And here's a lesson we learned. So holding on, it's just in life. We have to hold on to things. Do you know what the Bible says?
And I was almost gonna fall off the boat.
Yeah.
Well, Daddy actually was
You know,
too.
this is what the Bible says in Isaiah 41:10. Don't panic. God is with you. I'm with you. There's no need to fear, for I am your God. I'll give you strength. I'll help you. And this is the cool part. I'll hold you steady. Keep a firm grip on you. See? You had to hold on to the boat, but God keeps a firm hold of us when we are shaking. And life is crazy. So that's our lesson. All right? Woohoo!